Hey, Todd here. Have you ever been asked to do a job for free and then felt undervalued for doing it? I have. There's going to be times in your career, whether you're just starting out or when you've been doing it as long as I have, that someone's going to ask you to do a job for free. And it's going to be, a client needs help, an art director needs a favor, it's a friend of a friend, it's nonprofits, it's charities. You're going to get asked, and you're going to need to make a decision whether you're going to do it or not. There's a few things to worry about if you're doing a job for free, concerns that you don't want to be, especially if you're just starting out, you don't want to be the guy that people think of as the cheap guy, the not so good guy that you're going to do it for free. You don't want to be lumped into that category. You need to be valued for what you do, what you bring to the job, and they need to know that you're good at what you do, and you need to know where this is going to be used and who it's for. You don't want to kind of go into this stuff blind and have something go out that you're not proud of. You want to make sure you're proud of it, and that's kind of a bit of the challenge when you do these things for free. It needs to be something definitely that you're proud of, that you're going to show and be able to use. So that's kind of one of the benefits of doing it for free. Is it could be a benefit for your portfolio, something you can really show. You can get new techniques that you can learn, try new cameras, work with new crew. If you're doing it for free, you've got a little bit of latitude to try some different things. They should let you do that because you're doing it for free. You're giving them your skills for nothing. And I mean, if you're doing it for a charity, that's a great thing, or a nonprofit. I've done a lot of work for nonprofits over the years and charities, and I'll always work for those that I'm passionate about. It's got to be something I believe in if I'm going to do that for a charity or nonprofit. And this can benefit you by adding something to your book, your reel, like I said before. And you can definitely make something you're proud of. And it can lead to, more work from a client. I mean, I've done some work for clients in the past where I was promised more work for doing this for free that never came. I mean, that's a negative you have to look for. There's going to be promises made. You do this for free, we're going to do this for you. And a lot of times that doesn't happen. So you need to be aware of that. If it's a client you've had for a long time, I'm more than happy to do stuff for free. They've given me work. I benefited from that. Now they can benefit from me doing a little bit of help back their way. I'm totally down for doing that. Especially, for clients that have been really good to me. I'm going to be really good back to them. And that's part of building your career and your clients is just, if they're good to you, you be good to them. And if they need a little help here and there, you help them out because they've helped you. A main point that I get from doing things for free is it's going to help me portfolio-wise. It's going to be something I'm proud to show. It's going to help a charity. It's going to help a nonprofit. Those are definitely reasons I would do stuff for free. If it's something that somebody's promising me more work for, doing it for free, I'm very skeptical about doing that now. Unless it's a client I've had for years and years, then like I said, I have no problem with that. But I'd be very skeptical of somebody, new client, that says, do this for free and we'll help you out down the road. Unless you really know these people, that's one I would be very, very skeptical about doing a job for free. Share your experiences in the comment below. I'll comment back for sure. I'd love to hear what other people have had experience with doing stuff for free, or if you've got something coming up that somebody's asking you for free to do for free. If I can give you any advice, I'll help on that. And any other comments below, thoughts you guys got, leave it below and I'll get back to you on that. And as always, I appreciate you watching. And until next time, I'm out.